Everyone, let's introduce you to the University of Essex. This university is in Colchester town, which is the oldest and fastest growing town in UK. To reach the university, we booked a train and started from London to reach Colchester station and then changed for the next station Hythe, which is the nearest station to the university in a 10 minutes walk. The campus is sort of divided into 5 interlinking blocks or squares. So let's get going. This is Albert Student Center, where you can come for student information, finance, admin or career desks. Right next to the student center, there is a lakeside theatre. You can find a cafe and a theatre inside. This is Wivenhoe Lecture Hall, and beside it is the Square 5 that have many bookstores, art galleries and some of the shops you might be interested in. We are heading to Square 4 now. Find number of stores. You can pick up stationeries, daily tits and bits. There is a post office and a lot of places to eat, and you can have your coffee of the day. Heading down to Square 3, where you can find bars to go with your friends, coffee, kitchen and a big place to sit, eat, study and chill. And there's a way to lecture theatre building where all the lectures of our department happen. University of Essex is an album of all sort of big and beautiful buildings and structures, in which one is the business school, which is the first zero carbon building school in UK. This is Albert Sloman Library, having books and archives stored across 6 floors, and you know what? This library owns one of the 4 paternoster lifts in We are heading to Wivenhoe House Hotel, which is a beautiful building, comprises of hotel and campus for hotel management students also. This is the Uni Sport Arena, where inside are indoor activities, gym and climbing wall, and outside are tracks and fields for outdoor activities. University have its own accommodation buildings for the students, not one but many, and some of the buildings are newly created and functional this year only. This completes the tour of University of Essex. You can check the nearby town of Colchester with us in our next vlog. Till then, bye bye.